In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Trello notifications to your Discord server. If you spend a significant amount of your day on Discord, integrating Trello notifications into your server can really help streamline your workflow and keep you updated on your projects. Let's jump right into it. To start, look at the top right corner of your Trello board, and you'll notice a small rocket ship icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will bring up an assortment of options, and what we're focusing on today is the ability to add what Trello calls power-ups. Think of power-ups as plugins designed by third-party developers to expand the functionality of your Trello experience. Next, we'll search for a specific power-up called Discord Notifications. Simply type that into the search bar, and once it pops up, click the Add button. This action makes the Discord Notifications power-up part of your Trello board, but we're not quite done yet. Once you've added the power-up, head back to the rocket ship icon. You'll find a list of all the power-ups that are now available on your board. Locate the one you just added, Discord Notifications, and click on it to authorize it. Authorizing this power-up is a crucial step because it enables Trello to interact with your Discord server. Now that you've got it authorized, it's time to configure it according to your specific needs. Look for an option that says Add New to start setting up a new notifier. Upon clicking, you'll have the opportunity to select the server to which you want your notifications sent. Keep in mind, you'll need to authorize the connection to your chosen Discord server as well. Authorization ensures that your desired notifications will be correctly sent and received. With your server selected, scroll down the configuration list. Here, you'll see various Trello actions that can trigger notifications to your Discord server. It's entirely up to you which actions are important enough to warrant a notification. You might, for example, choose to be alerted whenever a card is moved, a due date is nearing, or a new member is added to a team. Once you've checked the boxes for all the actions that matter to you, don't forget to hit the Save button. There you have it, a seamless way to keep track of everything happening in your Trello boards, right from your Discord server. This integration is perfect for maintaining productivity without the hassle of constantly switching between platforms. Now you can enjoy receiving real-time updates on tasks, ensuring that you never miss an important notification. As always, feel free to experiment with different action triggers until you find the perfect setup for your workflow. Thanks for joining me, and happy organizing!